What's up, guys? It is the day after 4th of July, and everyone in our house is exhausted, especially Calvin, because he played like all day yesterday. So anyway, we all know that it's that time of the week where ChatGPT picks my meal for tonight, and I think we're gonna go vegetarian. The poll on my YouTube tab was a tie between shrimp and vegetarian, and I think we're gonna go vegetarian because we try to eat like 1 or 2 vegetarian meals a week. So we're just gonna prompt it with a vegetarian idea. We're at Trader Joe's because why not be at Trader Joe's? And yeah, anyway, let's get to it and let's see what ChatGPT picks for this week's meal. You can't hear the air conditioner in my car, but it's hot and I'm not gonna sit in my car without it. So anyway, without further ado, let's do this. Give me a recipe of vegetarian. That's what we're gonna say. If I could spell. Recipe for 2 people for dinner. I'm slightly less nervous this week. Oh, it's taken a long time. Vegetarian chickpea curry. Oh no, Jonathan's gonna love this. I'm gonna say he's not gonna love it, but maybe. Who knows? Okay, what do I need? I have onion, I have garlic. I think I have ginger. I do not have curry powder. I have cumin, I have turmeric, I have paprika, diced tomatoes, coconut milk, chickpeas, spinach, vegetable broth, cilantro. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a list. Going to make a list, and we're gonna go into Trader Joe's and we're gonna get all the things. I'm actually pretty excited. This sounds good to me. Alright, see you in Trader Joe's. So I found everything but curry powder in Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna go across the street and go to Deerberg's, and hopefully they have curry powder. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out. Well, I just paid $6 for curry powder, but we got it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a Trader Joe's haul, you know, because sounds good, right? All right, we got some baby spinach for our curry. Got some naan bread for our curry tonight. We have a Calvin nose. Hey, yo. Parmesan cheese because we're out. Vegetable broth for the curry. Coconut milk for the curry. Garbanzo beans for the curry, which are chickpeas. Got some smoked ghost chilies. I'm really excited for this. I'm so excited to try this. And we got some super lemon room spritz. So that's nice. And then last but not least, from Deerberg's, we got our curry powder. That's it. That's my Trader Joe's haul. ginger, so it's just onions and garlic, but it'll be just as good. I'm gonna add 1 cup of vegetable broth to this. Fun little tip, if you pour it this way, it doesn't glug as much. So that's a life hack with Linnea. Okay, so this recipe says that you can use, hang on, let me double check. 2 cups of chickpeas cooked, or 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas. So, I went with this. Okay, I'm gonna add my chickpeas. I'm going to add my 1 cup of vegetable broth. With the juice. Okay, a tablespoon of curry powder. Normally I wouldn't measure this, but I feel like I should. That's good. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. I'm gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. I could get it out. And a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. So, don't be like me when you can diced tomatoes and leave the skins on, because while most people think that that's okay, my husband hates it, and I have like, I don't know, 6 or 7 more jars of diced tomatoes in my basement with the skins on them, so I have to like pick off the skins when I see them, and then he has to pick off the skins when he's eating it. So lesson, don't be like me. Anyway, other than that, this looks and smells delicious. I'm excited. Y'all want to know a fun fact? I literally cannot taste black pepper. And I did have COVID, but I couldn't taste it before I had COVID. So like, black pepper does nothing for me. Yeah, but I just add it because Jonathan likes it. But other than that, I can't taste it. But I can smell it, but I can't taste it. Okay, so after tasting this, I give it a 9.5 because I think it's really good.
I give it an 8.
An 8. I don't know if you heard that, an 8. But Jonathan doesn't like love curry, like the flavors of curry. So like an 8 from him is like basically a 10, right?
Yeah.
You think it would be good with chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. We approve. We definitely approve. I think it's better than the stuffed peppers.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yep. Full agreement. Okay, bye!